In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text vertically and horizontally in Google Docs, placing it perfectly in the middle of the page. Whether you're creating a title page for a report or designing a flyer, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, we need to create a container that will hold our text. The easiest way to do this in Google Docs is by using a table. Navigate your cursor to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the table option. A grid will pop up, allowing you to select the dimensions of your table. For this task, we only need a single cell, so select the top left square to create a 1-1-1 table. You'll see a single cell table appear on your page, spanning the full width between the margins. The next step isn't required, but it's very helpful for visualizing our work. To see the entire page at once, go to the toolbar and find the zoom control, which currently says 100%. Click on it, and from the drop-down list, select 50%. This will zoom out, giving you a clear view of the whole page and how the table is positioned. Now, it's time to add the content. Click your cursor inside the table cell we just created. Before typing, let's make the text larger so it stands out. In the toolbar, locate the font size input. You can either type a number directly or use the plus and minus buttons to adjust it. We'll click the plus button until we reach a font size of 27. With the font size set, go ahead and type the text you want to center. For this example, we'll type centered text. With our text written, the first alignment we'll tackle is the horizontal centering. First, highlight all the text you just typed. Then, move your cursor up to the formatting toolbar and look for the alignment options. Click on the Align and Indent icon. A small menu will appear with different alignment choices. Select the Center Align option, which is typically the second icon from the left. Your text will immediately jump to the horizontal center of the table cell. Now for the key part, vertical centering. This setting is tucked away in the table's properties. Make sure your cursor is still inside the table cell. Go back to the main menu bar at the top and click on Format. In the drop-down menu, scroll down and hover your mouse over the Table option. Another menu will fly out to the side. At the very bottom of the second menu, you'll find Table Options. Click on it to open the Settings sidebar. A Table Options sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel gives you detailed control over your table's appearance. Look for the cell category and click on it to expand its settings. Inside, you'll see an option labeled Cell Vertical Alignment, which is set to top by default. Click this drop-down menu, and from the choices that appear, select Middle. As soon as you click it, you'll see your text shift to the exact vertical center of the table cell. Our text is now perfectly centered both vertically and horizontally. The final step is to handle the table border. Most of the time, you'll want this to be invisible. In the Table Options sidebar, collapse the Cell section and expand the Color section. Here, you'll see a table border setting. You can change the color and thickness. To make the border disappear completely, you would click the color swatch and select white. In this demonstration, we'll choose a light red color just to make it visible. Once you're happy with the border, you can close the Table Options sidebar by clicking the X in its top right corner. And there you have it. You've successfully centered text in the middle of the page in Google Docs. This powerful technique using a 1-1-1 table gives you complete control over text placement. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.